Using social media after a car accident. Hi, I'm attorney Christopher Nicolason from Springs Law Group, and today I wanted to give you some tips on how to use social media after you've been injured in a car accident. So the general rule of thumb that we have here at Springs Law Group is try not to or do not use social media after a car accident. And the reason is that there's going to be people out there kind of in the purview, looking at your life and trying to poke holes in what you're saying. And so some of the base advice that we give is do not post pictures of the accident itself, the crash, or your injuries on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Don't put any of that up there. Next, don't rant about the accident itself, the process, or the other driver. It does you no good to vent on social, and the only thing it can do is actually come back to hurt you. It could come back to hurt you through your claims process, or ultimately even come back to hurt you in a jury trial. Next, you want to don't post about your regular life. So just day in and day out, what's going to happen is investigators are going to start looking at your day in and day life. So if they say, hey, I'm hurting, my neck is hurting, but yet they see you, out there about just dancing or doing other things, your day-to-day life, they may be able to use your social media against you in the long run. And then lastly, we say do not comment on other people's accidents or injuries, because if you're doing that, then you're actually attesting that to your own accident or injuries and saying, in my experience, X happened or Y happened. And so we don't recommend doing that either. So the safe bet is to not use social media during the pendency of your claim, because it can come back and be used against you. So stay off social, and you'll have yourself a good claim moving forward. If you do have any questions about that, or if you've been injured in an accident, feel free and reach out to us here at Springs Law Group.